Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will install and open Google Slides, then sign in with your Google account so your files sync. Once done, grant storage and microphone permissions to access local media and record audio. This avoids later permission prompts. Next, create a new presentation or open an existing file. Choose a theme to set visual consistency, which speeds up slide creation. Make sure to tap the plus icon for new slides and select a layout, because starting with a layout saves time and keeps structure consistent. You will edit slide content by tapping text boxes, then use the toolbar to change font, size, color, and alignment. This controls readability on small screens. Next, insert images or videos through the plus menu, choose from device, camera, or drive, and use pinch to zoom and drag to position elements precisely. Also, add links and speaker notes for presenter context. Once placed, apply simple animations and reorder slides with long press drag and drop. Because consistent flow keeps your audience focused, and you will present from your Android by tapping Present and choosing Device or Cast. Use Presenter View to see your notes while the audience sees slides. When sharing, tap Share, set permission levels, edit, comment, or view, and copy the link for quick distribution, which preserves formatting across devices. Finally, if changes don't appear, check internet connectivity, confirm you're signed into the correct Google account, and force sync via Drive settings. This fixes most sync and permission issues quickly, so you don't lose work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.